Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from our education. As we know, in this coronavirus and there is a lockdown, people are going in depression, they have forgot to smile. So here I am to remind you all to smile. Hey you, yes you. I know the benefits of a smile, but sometimes you forget. So here it is a reminder for you. Smile, sweetheart. When you look at the camera for a click, you smile, right? A smile can make your picture look good and happy. Same goes with the daily life. Smile when you are afraid because it will remind you that you are the warrior and not some fragile maid. When you smile, your lips get beautiful curves. Your eyes shine and makes you to look more beautiful. Just like those beautiful roses with thorns. Who knows how to fight with the thorns of life? When life gives you hurdle and trouble, smile and say, I will not give up. Today and every day. Before closing your eyes to sleep, close your eyes to smile and appreciate yourself for fighting with all the demons and devils in your life. Just smile, sweetheart. It's precious. You are precious. लॉकडाउन का समय है और कोई नहीं जान पाता कि कौन किस स्थिति से गुजर रहा है, तो उन्हीं लोगों के लिए उनको याद दिलाने के लिए कि आपको हंसना कितना ज़रूरी है। कभी अकेले ना बैठें, डिप्रेशन के शिकार ना हों। आपकी ज़रूरत आपके परिवार को, आपके दोस्तों को है। इंतज़ार थोड़ा लंबा है, पर ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा। अच्छे दिन वापस आ जाएंगे। हम सब अपने नॉर्मल डेज पर वापस जा पाएंगे। कुछ ही दिनों की तो बात है, एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं ना। खुश रहना, हंसते रहना ज़रूरी है। ये सिर्फ आपका दिन ही नहीं बनाता, पर आपके हेल्थ को भी सही रखता है। खुद भी खुश रहें, दूसरों को भी खुश रखें। खुद हंसें और दूसरों को भी हंसाएं। Many see smiling simply as an involuntary response to things that bring you joy or laughter. While this observation is certainly true, what most people overlook is that smiling can be just as much a voluntary response as a conscious and powerful choice. Countless scientific studies have confirmed that a genuine smile is generally considered attractive to others around us. Other studies have shed light on how the act of smiling can elevate your mood and the mood of those around you. A strong link has been found between good health, longevity, and smiling. Most importantly, studies have shown that just the act of smiling, whether the result of real joy or an act, can have both short and long-term benefits on people's health and well-being. Let me tell you some reasons that make smiling attractive to you. Smile makes you attractive. Smiling relieves stress. Stress can permeate our entire being and can really show up in our faces. Smiling not only helps to prevent us from looking tired, worn down, and overwhelmed, but can actually help reduce stress. Smiling elevates our mood. Next time you're feeling down, try putting on a smile. Smiling is contagious. Smiling not only has the power to elevate your mood, but it can also change the mood of others and make things happier. Smiling boosts your immune system, जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी है अभी के लिए। चल रहे पैंडेमिक में आपको अपना इम्यून सिस्टम बढ़ाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। Smiling can also boost your overall health. The act of smiling actually helps the human immune system to function more effectively. Smiling lowers your blood pressure. When you smile, there is a measurable reduction in your blood pressure. Give it a try. You have a blood pressure monitor at home? Sit for a few minutes. Take a reading. Then smile for a minute and take another reading while still smiling. You will definitely notice the difference. Smiling makes us feel good. Studies have shown that smiling releases endorphins, natural painkillers, and serotonin. Together, these three neurotransmitters make us feel good from head to toe. Smiling makes you look younger. These were the benefits of smiling. और मुस्कुराते रहा करो यार, स्कोप बहुत है। ऐसे ही और बेनिफिट्स के लिए और जानकारियों के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को एंड लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें। पॉजिटिव।